Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw house scenery. First, I'm going to draw a house. Door of this little house. Window. Let's make it prominent and neat. Now let's draw mountains. A bright sun. Smiling face of sun. River. A tree. Road. Bush. Another tree. Some clouds. Waves. Let's color this house. Orange color. I'm using orange color to color this house. You can use any color you like. Red color for the roof. Dark green color. Light green color. Brown color. Light blue color for clouds. Yellow color for sun. Dark blue color for door. Light blue color for river. And there we have it, our beautiful scenery. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.